Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing carrot dumpling and stew chicken. Here I have all my natural ingredients and some blended carrot, and here is my chicken. Now I'm gonna start the process and show you how I done my carrot dumpling and stew chicken. Now you can see I cut up all my natural season, my carrot, my tomato, my onion, Irish potato, sweet pepper known as bell pepper, garlic, hot pepper, and scallion. Season my chicken. I'm gonna add some jerk season, Maggi all purpose, Maggi chicken season, some browning, I'm not gonna add any salt to it because the season already have salt in it. Now I'm gonna mix my chicken. Now I'm gonna add in all my natural season. Now I'm gonna mix it up all together. My chicken finished season up now. Now I'm gonna mix my flour. I'm gonna add some salt, now mixing up my flour. Now I'm gonna use the blend carrot juice to make the flour. Now my carrot dumpling finished mixing up. And a pot on the stove already boiling up. I have some of the juice leave back. I'm going to pour it in the pot also. The pot. Making my dumpling. My brown stew chicken I'm gonna add some cooking oil. Not a lot. Now my hot is Now my oil is hot. I'm gonna put in my chicken. Take off the natural seasoning because I don't want to put it in the pot with meat. It gets burned. Now all my chicken is in. I'm gonna give it a stir up. And there, my chicken. Now I'm gonna add in all my natural season. I'm gonna add some water to my stewed chicken. Then leave it to cook. Adding piece of thyme. My carrot dumpling is boiling up. Now I'm gonna add some Grace tomato ketchup. Giving it a stir. And there, my carrot dumpling all finished now. And here, my stewed chicken almost finished. Almost finished, guys. Now my stewed chicken is finished. All done now. Look on the gravy. Nice and rich. Wish you all could just smell it. And here, my stewed chicken and carrot dumpling. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching.